I'm Dr. Paula Dawson, consultant physiatrist. This year, Faculty of Medicine Research Conference is a must-go. November 9th, the workshop. We'll have amazing talks, educational talks, insightful talks on patients that have been in trauma, road vehicle accident, assault. After trauma, patients have a tendency not to be reintegrated into society, not to be able to go back to work. We're going to present to you how to get patients back into society, how to rehabilitate them. Our team of local specialists, as well as the team from Gottman's Institute in Barcelona, will be here. So make sure you're there. It's going to be fun, it's going to be insightful, and a lot of information. So see you there.